To open a new sheet, first use File, New, Data. Defining variable at the foot of the screen are two tabs. Click on Variable View to get the following screen. Click on Variable Type. First you will enter the name of the variable. The name of the variable is gender. Click the cell under type to get a gray square and click on the variable type box which you can use to define your variable. Here we will click numeric. This is numeric and width 8. Control the number of decimal places shown. You can control it. You can keep 0 and you can label your variable. It is important to keep the variable name short so that you can see as much as possible of your data on the screen. But you can enter longer description. In label you can enter longer description variable label to explain what the columns are, and these labels will appear on the all output. So in label, gender of the participants. And values, you will assign the values. Usually you will assign value 0 to male, add button, 1 to female. Add button, okay. And measure, your gender is dichotomous, so you will choose the scale nominal. So next variable is day 1. It is important to keep the variable name short so that you can see as much possible of your data on the screen. So in numeric, again you can select now you will label your second variable. Quality of paper presentation of day 1 international seminar. Quality of paper presentation of day 1 in international seminar. Now you have labeled your second variable, and you will not assign the value to your second variable because here in measure you will select the scale. It is scale because it's based on the scores. So the third variable is day 2. Type is numeric, width 8 decimal 0. You can keep the decimal 1 or 2. So now you will label to day 1, day 2. Day 2. Quality of paper presentation of day 2 in international seminar. So you will not assign the values to this variable, and you will assign measure scale. Now you have labeled the variable of in variable view, and now go to data. In data, first is gender. So 10 are male, and we show the gender with 0. You can copy 0. So next 10 are female. Now the score, we will score enter of day 1 paper presentation. So day 1, first 31, 38, 42, 44, 49, 56, 68, 70, 90, 92, 106, 175. So day 2, so next column 4, 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 2. So now we will analyze it. For calculating the correlation, we go to analyze, correlate, bivariate, and shift these two variable, quality of paper presentation of day 1, quality of paper presentation of day 2 with the help of arrow button. Go to the variable box, and here you will calculate the Pearson correlation, and go to option. If you want to select mean and standard deviation, you can select and press the button continue and press the button OK. You will get the output, and it shows non-significant relationship between the two variable because there is no static quality of paper presentation of day 1 in international seminar and quality of paper presentation of day 2 in international seminar. There is no significant correlation. So this is all about the correlation, and now you have learned how to enter data in SPSS and how to calculate the correlation.